Hello, Mary Amber Hughes here with We're About Wellness Friends, and today I'll be sharing with you about bergamot oil. Some people call it bergamot, and this oil, either way you say it, is a wonderful oil that is the oil of self-acceptance. It is a citrus oil, so you do want to avoid exposure to direct sunlight or a sunbed for 12 hours following the application of bergamot. But I will tell you, this is one that I love to diffuse at night. And you see it can be taken internally, and it has that supplemental fact box on it. And it is a citrus. All right, moving around here. All right, so it is very gentle and soothing, yet it is very uplifting as well. It has many healthful uses. And one of the ways I mentioned just earlier was I like to put it in the diffuser because it is great for moods and nervous issues. It's been found very effective for those times when you're feeling out of sorts or out of control with your emotions. And it has the ability to help with those times when you're not being able to sleep. And it has very calming properties. It has both those properties that help inside the cell to help calm excitability in the body. It's been used to help soothe digestion and combat those times when you have excess gas, and help to also provide relief from gallstones. You can use it topically, and it will help to repel insects. It is particularly great for mosquitoes and gnats, and it also can help reduce scarring after injury and may help with supporting many varicose veins. So those little veins we have. So it does help calm muscle spasms and coughs and sore throats. So if you have this one and you are running low on some of your other citruses, you might want to give this one a try. It does help to encourage the release of pent-up feelings that can lead to not being able to sleep, and those tense and not so peaceful feelings during the day, and those highs and lows in your moods. So it helps, in addition, to redirect nervous energy away from unproductive and addictive behaviors. It can be diffused and applied topically, ingested in a capsule, and combined with other citrus oils. In our home, we like to diffuse it. I've also put it in a capsule and taken it internally, and is very effective in combination with coriander, fennel, and or Roman chamomile to aid in nervous digestion and or loss of appetite, or overeating. So it is very wonderful to have in hand. So you might want to put it somewhere where you'll use it more often if you have this oil. It can be something that you can add in the water with bath water, okay? And so you would want to mix it with Epsom salt and about 2 drops of bergamot, and that can be helpful and blended up in the bath. Then provides wonderful relaxing bath. It can help to boost Epsom salt as well, or boost your mood when you and your self-confidence when you have it in the bath. And let me see, that's what I think I wanted to share with you about that. But that is the oil of self-acceptance. So if you're looking to move from feelings of despair and low self-esteem or self-judgment, feeling unlovable and hopeless, this may be one oil that you would want. This is an oil that you would want to inhale, whereas on your perfume points, it helps to relieve feelings of, in those individuals that need to feel self-acceptance and self-love. It invites individuals to see life with more optimism. And so it does have a cleansing effect on stagnant feelings and limiting belief systems. And remember, this comes from a research book, Emotions and Essential Oils, that I highly recommend. And because individuals' core beliefs of being bad or unlovable and not good enough because we feel those things, oftentimes then we seek to hide behind a facade of cheerfulness, and we feel like we have to put on this false persona that is not really us. So we may actually fear other people finding out that those are not the true feelings and thoughts, or we're not really all that cheerful. So bergamot is one of those that you would want to incorporate into your daily life. Either start by diffusing it at night, and then remember, you can put it on topically to your perfume points. I do recommend, if you're going to be outside in the sun, you do avoid putting it where the sun is going to hit it. So if you are someone who is in need of support this way, you might dilute it with a little coconut oil and rub it around on your belly, so long as you're not going to be outside in the sun, because we have a lot of neurotransmitters, more neurotransmitters in our gut that are linked in our gut to our brain. So if we're putting it on our gut, it's going to help and send good messages to our brain. So that's just a little tip from me. I hope that you'll join me as we look at some more essential oils that doTERRA offers as we walk through the essential oils this year. Thanks so much for your time, and if you like this, just subscribe and you'll be able to know when the next video comes out. Take care and God bless.